In order to free up storage on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can, for example, go to Settings, scroll down until you find Device Care, and then go here. And here we can tap on Storage. So here we have the summary of the storage, how much is used, how much is left, and we also have the list of different different file types and how much space they take. Over here at the bottom, if you scroll down, you will find some options like trash. So if you have removed something in the last 30 days, you will find everything here. And you can go through these options in order to remove them permanently. You can also find list of unused apps in the last 30 days, so you can get rid of them. You can also find duplicated items here, so you can select one of the duplicated items and then you can press to delete it. And you can also find large items, which by default it is considered anything that has more than 25 megabytes. But we can also tap on these three dots over here in order to adjust the large file size to something else. So we can use these tools to get rid of files that we don't use anymore, like trash and unused apps. But besides that, we can also tap on these categories in order to take a look what these things are. So for instance, if we tap on apps, then we will go to apps here, and as you can see, we can check every app that we have on our phone, and of course we can tap on the app in order to, for instance, uninstall it. The same goes with, for example, images. So we will open the gallery with all images and we can choose what we want to remove. And this is how we can manage our storage and free up the space. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!